The concept of an aura often refers to a field of subtle, luminous radiation surrounding a person or object, which some people believe can be observed and is indicative of an individual's spiritual and emotional energies. Whether you see it as a metaphor for personal energy or a literal field, strengthening your aura can be seen as a way to enhance your overall well-being, emotional balance, and spiritual harmony. Understanding your aura. Before we delve into the methods of strengthening your aura, it is essential to understand what the aura is. The aura is often described as a multi-layered sphere of energy that extends all around our body, typically in all directions, and it varies in color and intensity depending on our state of mind, health, emotions, and spirituality. Each layer of the aura is said to correspond to different aspects of our being, including our physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual states. The importance of a strong aura. A strong aura can contribute to numerous benefits. It can enhance personal well-being. A vibrant aura may increase our overall vitality and energy, improve relationships. By emitting positive energy, we can positively affect those around us. Boost confidence. When our aura is strong, we may feel more confident and assertive in our daily activities. Spiritual growth. A fortified aura can deepen our spiritual connections and enhance our intuition. Common signs of a weak aura. Recognizing the signs of a weakened aura can help us take timely actions to strengthen it. Some common signs include frequent illness or a feeling of physical depletion, prolonged stress or anxiety, feeling overpowered by the emotions and energies of others, difficulty focusing or constant mental fog. Acknowledging these signs is the first step towards taking control of your energy field and working on enhancing its strength and resilience. Methods and practices for strengthening your aura. 1. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation is a powerful tool for aura strengthening. It helps in calming the mind, reducing stress, and promoting a positive flow of energy. Mindfulness meditation, in particular, encourages you to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, which can help in cleansing your aura of any negative energies. Practice. Start with 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation daily. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. As you advance, you can increase the duration and incorporate visualizations, imagining a bright light enveloping you, representing your strengthened aura. 2. Energy healing techniques. Techniques such as Reiki, Qigong, and pranic healing are designed to balance and heal the body's energy systems. Practice. You can attend workshops or sessions with certified practitioners who can guide you through energy healing processes. These practices often involve exercises or treatments that clear blockages in your energy pathways, enhancing your aura strength. 3. Physical activity and yoga. Physical exercise, particularly yoga, supports energy flow throughout the body, strengthening the aura. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, which together enhance your energy fields. Practice. Incorporate yoga into your daily routine. Focus on postures that open up and align the chakras, such as the tree pose, Vrksasana, or the warrior series. These poses help in stabilizing your energy and strengthening your aura. 4. Diet and hydration. What we consume directly affects our energy levels and, by extension, our aura. Fresh organic foods are high in life energy, which can help to strengthen your aura. Hydration is equally important as water is a conductor of electromagnetic energy and can help maintain a clear energy field. Practice. Include a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep yourself hydrated and your aura cleansed. 5. Spend time in nature. Nature has a profound grounding effect, which is essential for a strong aura. The natural energies of the earth can help to cleanse your aura and replenish lost energy. Practice. Make it a habit to walk in nature regularly, whether it's a daily walk in the park or weekend hikes. Try to practice grounding, which involves walking barefoot on natural surfaces like grass or soil to enhance the energy flow between you and the earth. 6. Aura cleansing baths. An aura cleansing bath can help remove the negative energies that cling to your energetic field. This practice can be both relaxing and spiritually purifying. Practice. Draw a warm bath and add sea salt or Epsom salt, which are known for their energetic cleansing properties. You may also add essential oils like lavender or sage for their additional cleansing effects. Spend at least 20 minutes soaking in this bath, visualizing the negative energies washing away. These methods and practices offer a starting point for anyone looking to strengthen their aura. By integrating these into your daily life, you can maintain a vibrant, healthy aura that supports your overall well-being and spiritual growth. If you are enjoying the information provided in this video, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like for more videos that will help you and others achieve higher states of consciousness. Let's get back to the topic. Now let's get into advanced practices for strengthening your aura. 1. Crystals and gemstones. Crystals have been used for centuries for healing and energy work. Each crystal has specific properties that can help to enhance and protect the aura. Practice. Choose crystals like amethyst for protection, rose quartz for love and positivity, and black tourmaline for grounding. Keep these crystals near you, wear them as jewelry, or place them in your living space. Regularly cleanse your crystals by rinsing them under cool water or leaving them out in moonlight. 2. Aromatherapy. Essential oils can have a profound effect on your mood and energy levels, directly influencing the strength and clarity of your aura. Practice. Use essential oils like sandalwood for grounding, lavender for relaxation, and citrus oils for energizing. You can use these oils in a diffuser, apply them topically after diluting them with a carrier oil, or add a few drops to your aura cleansing bath. 3. Sound healing. Sound frequencies can realign our energy fields, bringing balance and strength to our aura. Practice. Engage in sound healing sessions using Tibetan singing bowls, tuning forks, or even listening to healing music. The vibrations produced by these sounds help in clearing blockages and enhancing the flow of energy through the aura. 4. Color therapy. Colors have frequencies that correspond to the frequencies of our chakras and auras. Utilizing color therapy can help in balancing and enhancing your aura. Practice. Incorporate colors into your life that align with how you want to feel and the energy you wish to project. For example, wear red to boost energy, blue for calm, and green for healing. Surround yourself in environments that use these colors strategically to enhance the desired energies. 5. Mantras and affirmations. The power of spoken words can influence our internal energies. Positive affirmations and mantras reinforce our energetic field, helping to strengthen and protect our aura. Practice. Begin your day with positive affirmations such as, "I am surrounded by love and positivity," or "My energy is protected and strong." Chanting mantras such as Om or So Hum can also be very effective in cleansing and fortifying your aura. 6. Spiritual practices. Engaging in spiritual practices that resonate with your beliefs can profoundly impact your aura. This could include prayer, attending spiritual gatherings, or performing rituals that align with your spiritual path. Practice. Regularly engage in spiritual practices that feel authentic to you. This might involve joining a meditation group, participating in a religious community, or creating personal rituals that help you connect with a higher energy. By incorporating these advanced practices into your routine, you can further strengthen your aura, making it vibrant and resilient against the energies that you encounter daily. Now let's talk about how you can protecting and maintaining your aura. 1. Shielding techniques. Learning to shield your aura is crucial for maintaining its integrity, especially when you find yourself in energetically draining or negative environments. Practice. Visualize a shield of white or golden light surrounding your entire body, extending a few inches to a foot outward from your skin. Intend this light to protect you from negative energies. Reinforce this shield every morning or before entering challenging situations. 2. Regular energy clearing. Just like physical cleaning, your aura benefits from regular clearing to remove any energetic debris it may have picked up. Practice. Engage in regular energy cleansing sessions, which can involve smudging with sage, palo santo, or other herbs known for their cleansing properties. Alternatively, sound clearing using bells or singing bowls can effectively clear your space and aura. 3. Boundary setting. Setting emotional and energetic boundaries is essential for maintaining a strong aura. It prevents energy drains and ensures that you are not overwhelmed by others' emotions. Practice. Learn to say no without guilt and be clear about your limits in interactions. This might mean limiting time with certain people, avoiding energy-draining activities, or even disconnecting from digital devices to preserve your energy. 4. Mindful association. The people and environments we choose to surround ourselves with have a significant impact on our auric field. Practice. Choose to spend time with people who uplift and support you. Avoid locations or situations that feel toxic or draining. If you must be in a negative environment, ensure you have your shielding in place and spend some time in nature afterward to cleanse and recharge. 5. Reflective journaling. Keeping a journal to reflect on your emotional state and experiences can help in identifying patterns that may affect your aura negatively. Practice. Maintain a daily journal where you note down your feelings, the quality of your interactions, and any physical sensations or emotional responses you have to people or environments. This can help you understand what strengthens or weakens your aura and adjust accordingly. 6. Regular spiritual practice. Consistent spiritual or reflective practice can help in maintaining a strong aura by aligning you more closely with your higher self and spiritual guidance. Practice. Whether it's meditation, prayer, reading spiritual texts, or simply spending quiet time in reflection, make it a part of your daily routine. This regular connection to your inner self fosters a stronger, more resilient aura. By integrating these protective measures and maintenance practices into your daily life, you ensure that your aura remains strong, vibrant, and capable of supporting you in achieving greater personal and spiritual well-being. Some final words. As we conclude this video about strengthening, protecting, and maintaining your aura, remember that this journey is deeply personal and uniquely yours. The practices outlined here are designed to guide you towards greater energetic health and spiritual alignment, allowing you to live a more balanced and harmonious life. Cultivating a strong aura is not just about occasional practices, but about incorporating these strategies into the fabric of your daily life. By doing so, you create a resilient energy field that supports your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. This fortified aura not only enhances your personal vitality, but also enables you to make positive impacts on the world around you. Embrace this journey with patience and consistency. The benefits of a strong and protected aura are cumulative and become more profound with time. Continue to explore, adapt, and grow in your practices. Your energy is a reflection of your inner state and intentions, so nurture it with care, respect, and love. Thank you for taking the time to embark on this path of energetic empowerment. May you find strength, clarity, and joy in every step of your journey.